Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Tech Miracles. Today's our video is about JavaScript variables. Variables are the containers for storing data or storing data values. JavaScript variables can hold numbers like 100 and text values like rows in double quotes or rows in single quotes. In programming, text values are called text strings. JavaScript can handle many types of data, but now we think about the numbers and strings. Strings are written inside double or single quotes. Numbers are written without quotes. If you put a number in quotes, it will be treated as a text string. Declaring a JavaScript variable. Creating a variable in JavaScript is called declaring a variable. 4 ways to declare a JavaScript variable: using var, using let, using const, using nothing. Example: var a is equal to 10 semicolon, var b is equal to 20 semicolon, var c is equal to a plus b semicolon. In this example, a, b and c are the variables declared with the var keyword. In this example, a, b and c are the variables declared with the let keyword. Example, let a is equal to 10, let b is equal to 20, let c is equal to a plus b. In computer programs, variables are often declared without a value. The value can be something that has to be calculated or something that will be provided later. Like user input, a variable declared without a value will have the value undefined. The variable name will have the value undefined after the execution of this statement. Example, let name semicolon. The var keyword is used in all JavaScript code from 1995 to 2015. The let and const keyword were added to the JavaScript in 2015. If you want your code run in older browsers, you must use var. If you want a general rule, always declare variables with const. Its value cannot be changed. If you think the value of the variable can change, use let. In this example, number 1, number 2 and some are variables. Const number 1 equal to 10 semicolon, const number 2 is equal to 20 semicolon. Let sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2 semicolon. The two variables number 1 and number 2 are declared with the const keyword. These are constant values and cannot be changed. The variable total is declared with the let keyword. This value that can be changed. JavaScript $sign. JavaScript treated $sign as a letter. Identifiers contains dollar are valid variable names. Example, let dollar is equal to inside double quotes hello world semicolon. Let dollar is equal to 15 semicolon. Let dollar my money is equal to 100 semicolon. Using the $sign is not very common in JavaScript, but professional programmers often use it as an alias for the main function in JavaScript library. JavaScript underscore. Since JavaScript treat underscore as a letter, identifiers contains underscore are valid variable name. Example, let underscore name is equal to double quotes rows semicolon. Let underscore a is equal to 50 semicolon. Let underscore 150 is equal to 60 semicolon. Using the underscore is not very common in JavaScript, but a conventional among professional programmers is to use it as an alias for private or hidden variables. JavaScript identifiers. All JavaScript variables must be identified with a unique name. These unique names are called identifiers. Identifiers can be short names like A and B, or more descriptive names, age, name, address. The general rule for constructing names for variables or unique identifiers are: names can contain letters, digits, underscore, and dollar signs. Names must begin with a letter. Names can also begin with dollar and underscore. Names are case sensitive. Lowercase y and uppercase are different variables. Reserved words like JavaScript keywords cannot be used as names. JavaScript let. The let keyword was introduced in ES6, that is 2015. Variables defined with let must be declared before use. Variables declared with let have block scope. Variables defined with let cannot be redeclared. With let, you cannot do this. Example, let A is equal to rows semicolon, let A is equal to 10 semicolon. There is a syntax error. As A has already been declared and its value is rows, and this A cannot be again declared. But with var, we can redeclare the variables. Var A is equal to rows semicolon, var A is equal to 10. Then here the value of A is 10. JavaScript const. The const keyword was introduced in ES6, that is 2015. Variables defined with const cannot be redeclared. JavaScript const variables must be assigned a value when they are declared. Const pi is equal to 3.1415. This is the correct way of declaration, and const pi semicolon is not a correct declaration. This is incorrect. Const pi semicolon pi is equal to 3.1415 is also incorrect. The correct way of declaring const variable is const pi or const variable name equal to its value semicolon. That's the correct way of declaring the const variable. Variables defined with const cannot be reassigned. Variables defined with const have a block scope. A const variable cannot be reassigned. Example, const pi is equal to 3.1415. pi is equal to 3.14 semicolon. This will gives an error. pi is equal to pi plus 10. This is also an error. Block scope. Before ES6, that is 2015, JavaScript had only global scope and function scope. ES6 introduced two important new JavaScript keywords, let and const. These two keywords provide block scope in JavaScript. Variables declared inside a block or inside a curly braces cannot be accessed from outside the block. Example, inside curly brace, let A is equal to 10. Variables declared with the let var keyword cannot have block scope. Variables declared inside a block or a curly brace can be accessed from outside the block. Example, var A is equal to 25 semicolon. Inside the curly brace, redeclaring a JavaScript variable with var is allowed anywhere in a program. Example, var A is equal to 25 or A is equal to 30. Now the value of A is 30. Redeclaring with let is a variable. The same block is not allowed. Var A is equal to 25 is allowed. Let A is equal to 30 is not allowed. Inside the block, let A is equal to 25 semicolon allowed. let a is equal to 30 is not allowed. Inside another block, let a is equal to 25 is allowed, var a is equal to 30 is not allowed. Pre-declaring a variable with let in another block is allowed. Example, let a is equal to 25. This is allowed. Inside a block, let a is equal to 30. This is allowed because the scope of this variable a is in this variable, in this block. The scope of the variable a is only in this block. In another block, let a is equal to 40 is also allowed. This a is allowed only in this block. Today's our video is concluding here. Link for the note is available in the description box. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.